so welcome to this first of many videos. So today we're going to look at doing a warm-up using a medicine ball. So we've got 7 exercises to go through. We're going to do it twice. So we're going to go through 2 circuits, 40 seconds each, 20 seconds rest. So let's see how we go. Okay, so we've got a 3 kilo medicine ball, 2 kilo medicine ball here. So basically what we're going to do is just going to use some movements just to keep ourselves nice and warm. So ready for a really intense exercise. So let's go. So we're going to go pushing the chest forwards, nice and tall. So we're just going to open up the chest a little bit from the back. Keep your head and shoulders up. So we're going to go 40 seconds. And then we're going to hear the beep. So breathe out on the way out. It's good. Almost there. Come on guys, keep going. This is quite a nice, easy warm-up. So we'll see what we got. You should start to feel it in your back, chest pulling a little bit as well. Okay, let's have a little rest. So next exercise we're going to go for is the overhead press. Okay, so let's get ready for that. So nice and steady, hips apart, both feet facing forwards, soft knees. Okay, nice and tall. Let's get ready for it. Keep breathing. Okay, let's go up and down. Elbows tucked in. That's it. Nice and strong. Brace the core. Good. Excellent. Okay, good. We're doing really well. Hopefully we're going to do a few more workouts going forwards. So it'd really be great if you can join us. Every Monday and Thursday we're looking to try and put a new workout up. That's good. Right, we're almost there. Don't forget the breathing. It's good. Last one. We'll keep going until the beep. Okay, good. Perfect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to circle one side and then we're going to do the other side afterwards. So we're going to go round in circles, arms nice and straight, and try and build up the range as we go. So we're going to try and get nice big circles. Okay, let's get ready. Soft knees, nice and strong. Okay, here we go. Circles. Start with small circles and then slowly build up. And then we can get big circles. And then we can go small circles. That's good. Okay, we're doing really well. That's good. Keep going. Okay, almost there. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're going to do the other side afterwards. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go one side up. So from the hip, straight up. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, let's go up, drive up on the tiptoes on the other foot and just right to the corner, and you want to stop it so you don't let it fly out of your hands. Breathe out on the way up. It's good. Keep going. Drive up, down to the side of the hip and drive up, good. And rest. Okay, so now circles the other way. So we're going to go this direction this time. Okay, let's get ready. Soft knees, chest nice and tall. Okay, it's almost time. Keep breathing. Okay, here we go. Circles the other direction. It's good. It's good. Come, keep going. It's good. Get the circles bigger. Drive it around. So it's a great core workout as well. So this could be a workout in its own right. Nice and strong. Strong through the core. Okay, and rest. Okay, so we're going to go wood chop from this side. Russian twist, wood chop, whatever you call it. From this side and up. Okay. Little rest. That's good. Okay. Position. Nice and strong. Down to the side. Let's go. And up. On the tiptoes on this side. It's good. Breathe out on the way up. Nice and strong. Brace the core. Keep it going. It's good. It's good. Come on. All the way up. Let's go. Nice and strong. That's good. Good, excellent, perfect. So now we're going to do a squat with the ball. I've got a sofa behind me, which is quite good. Tuck down to the sofa and up. Down to the sofa and up. Okay? Get ready. You want to hold the ball away from your chest, so you want to hold it on your chest. Hold it slightly away so you've got some tension there as well. Let's go. And up, hip width apart, toes pointing out slightly. And up. Nice and strong. And up. Good, remember, the ball's not on your chest. There's a bit of gap there. Push your bottom back. Excellent, keep going. Breathe out on the way up. That's good. Almost there. Good, and rest. Quick drink, wherever I find it. So I'm going to go back through the circuit again now. So nice and easy. So first we push the chest forward, hip width apart. Ready? Let's get ready. Go. Breathe out on the way forwards. Brace the core. Good. Keep going. Good. Come on. Almost there. It's quite an intense workout. It's almost like a warm-up. It's quite hard. Come on, let's go. We got it. And if you want, you can use a heavier ball. Good. And rest. Overhead press. They do up to 10 kilos. So see how we go. All right, you ready? Position. Always try and stand nice and tall, head up, soft knees, brace for the core. Wait for the beep. Let's get ready. And up. Elbows tucked in. Breathe out on the way up. Good. Brace core. Good. Can feel it in the shoulders. Come on, we got it. Almost there. A few more seconds. Good, excellent work. Rotations one way. Let's go clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, 20 seconds rest. Use it wisely. Keep breathing, nice and tall. Don't slouch. Let's go. Ready? Where's the beep? Okay, here we go. Start with just small circles. Brace the core and get bigger as you go round. It's good. You can go back to small circles again and then bigger. You can feel it in your back and your shoulders and your core as well. Is on fire now. It's good. Keep going. Big circles. Big circles. Big circles. Brace. Nice and strong. Almost there. Come on. Keep breathing. Good. Excellent. Woodchop from this side. Upwards. Let's get ready. How are we feeling, guys? So this is a great workout. So if you're looking to get fit again, start joining me for these workouts. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling about them. If you're feeling good, too easy, too hard. Let's go. Diagonally, hop on the toes, brace the core and try and throw the ball away, but don't let go. Okay. It's good. Down. Slight bend in the knees as you come down. Brace the core. Breathe up strongly as you come up. Good. Come on. Good. Excellent work. Come on. Almost there. Good. Come on. Strong, strong, strong. To the end. Good work. Rotations the other way. Anti-clockwise. So we're going to go clockwise now. Good. Ready? Let's stay focused. Stay with it. Okay. Nice and strong. Don't slouch. And let's go. Circles around. Small circles to start. Brace that core. Bigger circles as we go. And then if you want, sneak back to small circles, big circles. Brace that core. Try not to rock around too much. Keep the arms as straight as possible, slight bend. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. It's good. Doing really well. Nice and strong to the end. Come on, guys. Rest. Good. Okay. Woodchops from this side upwards. Okay, we're doing really well. 2 more to go. And then we're done. Okay. What's the heart rate doing? 150. So we're doing well. Nice and warm. Okay, ready down to side. And let's go up. Brace. Throw it away. Nice and strong in the core. Keep the breathing. Out on the way up. In on the way down. It's good. It's good. On the tiptoes on the other side. Excellent work. Come on, guys. We got it. See, it's a great little workout you can do if you've got kids and very busy people. It's nice to try and get a little bit of time for yourself. I know what it's like. Come on. Good, and rest. Last one's a squat. Off the chest though, remember? Use the sofa or use a chair. If you don't have one, you can just go down as low as you can. Hip width apart. Toes slightly out. Okay, off the chest. This is the last one. We got it. And here we go. Down and up. Keep the knees pointing outwards. Don't let them buckle in. It's good. Breathe out on the way up. Good work. Come on, we got it, guys. Good. Almost there. Few seconds left. Come on. Nice and strong. Good, good, good. Come on, almost there. And we're done. Excellent work, guys. Well done. Hopefully you'll join me going forward. Any comments, any questions, just let me know. But let's do this for real people. You know, I'm a real personal trainer. Working out as much as I can around the family. Trying to keep myself busy.